Hello everyone, today Finish Object video, and this time socks. Fingering weight yarn hold double for quite a large feat, just saying. Okay, I'm not sure is there is a point putting these on like medium size, because check that out, the whole heel and something will be sticking out. So these are a gift knit for size 12. I think I may have got a little bit bigger than the last pair. If you haven't watched it on the screen now, you can see it. I'm talking about these. And if I compare these, the lighter ones are just a smidge bigger. But I think this is the same story. I cast it on 52 stitches. I followed my free tutorial. Check it out on the screen. At the end of the video, I'm putting so I'll put the video and the end of the video and down below links, so check them out. And so the way I knitted these socks is toe up one at a time. I know the tutorial says 2, but one at a time. I used US size 2, which is 2.75mm needles. I know people are asking me about that. Basically when I put the socks flat, that gives me 10 centimeters, so you know straight away there's 26 stitches gauge for me over here in the 4 inches, so 10 centimeters. So that's that. And I did afterthought heel, so basically I was knitting until I run out of yarn, and I'm not sure did I count. I think I counted. I wanted to keep it neat because this is not for a knitter, so they're equal, although you may notice they ended up slightly different because, as I said, I hold the yarn double and I wasn't sure how it's going to end up, and that was a risk that I was not afraid to take, and apparently recipient will not mind too. We shall see how that goes though. And the yarn that I used, I got it in a grocery shop, yeah, which is called Lidl over here. So one time, sometimes, I'm not saying all the time, they have a yarn section, and you can find loads of yarn. Most of it would be acrylic, and I was so surprised to see this, and I got 2 sets like this. There was 4 by 50 gram balls in it, and it will have 75% wool, 25% nylon. There's some kind of recipe inside over here, but I did not follow that obviously. But I used the yarn, and for this, each sock took 150 gram, plus I used another 50 gram with a little bit extra over here left for the toes, heels, and ribbing. Ribbing over here I did 1 by 1, and I finished with tubular bind off. I will put a link down below to tubular bind off tutorial 2 because I think it's a really nice finish. So check that out. I'm not sure would I be doing that for the fingering weight socks when I have 56 stitches, but over here with you know, 52 wasn't that bad. I don't know, I love it. So I'm not sure, is it going to be just a gift or is it going to be a Christmas gift? We shall see how that goes. Just to let you know, I put it into the bag that I got from a friend, from a viewer, I think 2 years ago or 3 years ago, I don't remember, and I have my keychain sock, so you can check that in my shop. Big, nice, and just in case you're wondering who the maker is, Mrs. Brown's Bag. So Mrs. Brown's Bag is one of the grocery girls, and that's Jodie, and she made it a few years ago, and I really love the fabric. It's just so gentle and quite interesting having a female fishing, isn't it? So cool. Female antler, isn't it? And I was so happy, and these socks just flew out of my needles. And if you have an idea to knit socks for someone and you want to have it done quite fast, and you have plenty of fingering weight yarn, you can definitely hold the double. Now I hope you enjoy this one and that gives you an idea what you can do. Don't forget to go down Instagram and tag me and show me what you're knitting. Use hashtag knittingILove too. That would be amazing to see what you have on your needles or what kind of gift knitting you are doing. Or maybe you're just bowling yourself, and that's fine too. Okay, quick, short and easy. I hope you enjoyed this one. Till the next one.